Love is a journey, and every relationship deserves the chance to grow stronger. Join us from the 31st of July to the 2nd of August 2026 at Shilomani Hotel, Giyani, for the 5th annual Being One Again Couples Conference, hosted by Kensani Nyango. Experience powerful sessions on marriage, family, finance, mental wellness, intimacy, counseling, games, and more, led by inspiring guest speakers and experts. Tickets start from 400 Rand for singles and 800 Rands per couple. Book your space today and invest in your relationship. For bookings and inquiries, WhatsApp 068 344 3526. Being one again, because stronger relationships build stronger families.
Utamokisa J John bro.
What?
Utama ubisa J John te nunzu na.
No, why?
Yeah.
I started doing music videos, I think, in grade 10. So, there would be people like who. The first music video I did for a major artist, Agoria D. Michaels.
Yeah.
D.
May his
Michaels-
soul rest in peace.
Yes.
Yeah.
D.
Yeah.
Michaels discovered me, and still there when I was in high school, there were like things like, oh, Nalish, na D. Michaels.
Ungakuna savage nyana unadzona. Naswona ku wapfumela ku unadzona nyana savage. Ulwela ina Nota baloyi.
Oh, Nota. Ish.
Talavana, tachavana.
Hey.
Na hina eka Machangani Gang Podcast Network. Hi Ravumbirhi rin'wana na rin'wana evhikini hafu ku bile awara ya 12. Mi nga kayeli leswi. Hi swi twile mi swi twile. Hi mi tisela to hisa kumenemene na mavarivari eka Gaza. Kasi Ravumune ra vhiki na vhiki hi mi khomele mbulavulo wa leti na letiya. Hi ya emahlweni hi dyondzisa, hi hlohlotela no hlayisa ndhavuko wa Xitsonga xerhu. Twanani la. Sonta rin'wana na rin'wana Ravumbirhi en'hwetini hi ku ya hi vhiki. Hi ku phamela swakudya swa tindleve evunangeni. Hi mbulavulo wa tiqambi teru na eximoyeni hi pfuxelela vupfumeri ni mbulavulo. Seketela, rhandza u tlhela u avelana na van'wana. Ntsena eka Machangani Gang Podcast Network.
Hi rhandza ku mi xavetana kambe valandzeri va hina va Machangani Gang Podcast Network eka platform hinkwato Twitter, Facebook, YouTube mainly, ene kombela mi subscribe leswaku mi nga misi mahungu ya ku tsokombela ya le maninginingini. Mi khomiwe hi marikana kha ni fambisana na principal. Hi na guest leyi a ni voni ku ri ya lava reintroduction. Hi vhenge timhakeni mus principal ma vona. Matani la tangu vutisa yini ku vhela a n'wakanyana.
Yeah.
Jess u tshama u khisa J John bro.
What?
U tshama u bisa J John te nunzu na.
No, why?
Mhaka leyi. Yeah.
No, guys. When you do something, the music video. Which way? You guys. So no, there was a moment in that music video. It was not a music video; it was more of like a promo video. In the promo video, December we did 2 promo videos. So the first promo video we did, I posted pictures. The second one that we did, we had pictures that looked like and all that, and then going out the story so I think so. I know that's I see him as a brother. someone who gave me an opportunity, learning I race to my full potential. I don't know story so and please.
Kumbe tavuya ka yona
Nah,
leyi
Vuya ka yona loko
so u ngokenyana se mina u teka through
no la ta kota ku twisisa ku mhaka liya i ntiyiso kumbe sa swi vona ku swi nga endleka yi ri ntiyiso. Lexi nga ta humelela i timhaka ta ku ri hi ta va hi ri na ti-segment timbirhi esikwini ra namuntlha laha hi nga ta va hi karhi hi nyika vahlaleri va kota ku tiva kahle ku a hi timhaka to bisa tinhundzu endlaku na swin'wana na swin'wana. Se lexi u nga ta hi byela xona i timhaka ta ku va u hi byela ku ri hi wena mani, u huma kwihi, u ta hi kwihi,
u endla yini
hinkwaswo leswi ya ku ri u kota ku bakanya leswi vanhu va tivaka swona. Loko vanhu va ku vona minkarhi hinkwayo vo hleketa timhaka ta tinhundzu and a hi mhaka ya ku i tinhundzu ntsena leswi bisaka. U nga va bisa tinhundzu mara lexi salaka i timhaka ta ku ri ku na swilo leswi u swi endlaka. Hi ta lava ku tiva ku ri i cini leswi u swi endlaka, hi wena mani, u huma kwihi, a kaya, background ya wena.
Okay, so mina Jessica Maswanganyi, numa giyani at the F. There's nothing much about me, but the fact that I attended high school again high. I did go to Kanyisa, Ningene Hillside. Raised by my grandmother Nkurse Kokwani. My mom is the one that was paying for fees and whatever. My grandmother also paid for the fees and whatever. There's nothing much like interesting about my background, but I'm just a simple girl from Limpopo. I'm Tsonga. Papa mina ba ma bush, so I have bush Pakrich sides. My mom is also from there. My mom's dad is from there. My grandmother's from there. So that's how we got to come giyani as like a whole family, and that's how I was raised. Basically, there's nothing major about that. Just a simple girl. Again, I matriculated again high 2023.
So ho va na ku tshemba ku loko iseni ka dyondzo ta wena amahlweni kwalomu ti yisaka kona. Mara loko hi languta profile ya wena hi vona u ri na mambalelo man'wani mo komba ku ri u le ka modeling na swin'wana na swin'wana, so vanhu va fanele va swi tiva na swona, so hi teke through ka yaleyo kanjani.
I am a freelance model. I do gigs, I do promotions, meaning kungaba na a certain designer anga designer something and look at me and feel like I would look good in that piece they designed, and they would call me, "Hi Jessica, I would like you to wear my clothes. I would like to have a photo shoot with you." The music video, I usually do music videos. Like that's one thing I love doing. Like music videos. Shileka music videos, man. So I do promote a lot of things, clothes. I do music videos. I do swimwear. I do host events. Last year, December, I hosted a sip and paint. Again, it was like an event where we paint, have wine, have good food, enjoy good music. Basically, yeah, that's just me.
Sometimes wa freelance wa jika pole kuna pole one kumbe wo freelancer leswaku u fanele u freelancer.
I do I do freelance. A lot of people they usually mistaken me for someone who does the pageant, like the pageant about Miss what. No, I don't do that. I've never done that in my life. I do promotions. I do music videos, freelancing. If it's business is business. I do music videos. I get paid. I go home. So those extra stories, this person is doing what and what.
Business is business.
Business is business, and I'm a very professional person.
Yeah.
Very professional person.
So kuna ti music videos ta kutala leti u nga ti endla tanihi loko u kombisile. Hi ku vutse question hi mhaka ku va ku be na mahemhemu ku wena na J John mkhisana miroho. How does it affect you? Because it seems as nga ku vanhu va tiva the sexualization part leyi ku nga ku va yi tirhisa ku wena u kuma swilo hi yona va nga n'wi tivi sayiti rin'wana ra Jessica ku Jessica u tlharihe ku fika kwihi u endla yini and all those things swi ku affecta ku fika kwihi tanihi sesi lontsongo.
There was a time I felt like I shouldn't affect her way too much because I started doing music videos, I think I grade 10. So there would be people like who the first music video I did for a major artist, Agoria D. Michaels.
Yeah. May his soul rest in peace.
Yes, D. Michaels discovered me. And still there when I was in high school, there were like things like, D. Michaels. I remember drega ka social media, let's the beef. They would say, I found when I photo shoot. How expensive is a photo shoot that I would actually require someone to sleep with me so I can get that photo shoot. To that, it was like, it became very disrespectful on my part, but then there's a point where you get too many negative comments and then and you just look at them and laugh. So I feel like it did take a huge toll on me, especially since I'm high school. So I feel like I've actually went through so much. The era of me being in grade 10, 11, 12, that on figure varsity, it was nothing to me. Like, I could actually navigate life and like just like people's comments don't define me. You know? There's been a lot of there's nothing that I will do without people trying to say I'm sleeping with that person. Literally there's nothing. And you can imagine my family sees all these. I remember in December, I was trending back when I John. Statement. Because I wrote a statement. I see the comments. Like, it was just something someone said that really broke my heart. And it was but J. John abanye. Like J. John anganye. As in something is wrong with me. Like my sister, actually there was an altercation between her and my sister. So she picture me go trend in J. John got the WhatsApp like so you screenshot you mana quality to
full HD
picture lewan. And then this person wrote a caption and said ba J. John abanye. So nonyan loiwa kuna nyonya loyi mina ni nga na yena ka WhatsApp anga screenshot and send it. I'm like, yeah. And I'm like my close circle, they know I'm not going to trend on social media. They don't send me anything. And I try my best to ignore it. And look, when I can send it takes me back. I don't want to see negative things that are being written about me on social media. People have a lot of things to say about me. So I read that caption, and that caption was like, but J. John abanye. Like, what do you mean anganyenyi? What's wrong with me? What is like problem?
It's too disrespectful.
It's too disrespectful. You understand what I mean? What is wrong with me? Why anganyenyi? And then I remember logo yandla another promo vid ne na mahlori. We're going to the location like the video. We were driving, we got something to drink because I asked him to buy me something to drink. Now the crew were in the back, I found my bike. So me and him were in the front. We're just having a conversation. One but said, why Baba Sati me tritana so? So I was like, huh? Why? Look when I posted the first promo vid. I got a lot of responses. Why you choose Shishenge for your music video? It was not a music video. It was a promo vid. Why Ilandeluyani? Like, you understand? Like, even Yena J. John could see what's happening, you know? So I made this type of replies. Logan post that shit. Why not take and give me and whatever. And I can bet you 100% kumunhu loyi anga reply to that angantivi. Majority of the people that don't like me on social media are people that have never even sat down and had a conversation with me. It's usually hate ya ku hotspot or like I don't know why people find so much, like I feel like now it's better ne because nikota ku ti defender. I can actually defend myself. Back then in high school, I would just let people write things about me. This and this and that, Jessica Machangani, whatever. If I make a mistake, I remember there was this other time I made a mistake at weather report or something.
Yeah.
Ooh. I was like, hey. I'm sorry, I made a mistake.
Yeah.
They use that opportunity learning like a mistake to point like to,
Yeah.
yes. And I understood iman angafika and the ashkari hanging eleshkolweni.
And I hope I send a grade 10.
Yes, but like imagine there was a point I repeated grade 10, right? I did repeat grade 10, and then 2020 I did grade 10. 2021 I repeated grade 10 again. Still, you know, you have so much potential. I've tried the book, and I knew very well, Kuri. There's certain things when it comes to maths, I don't know numbers.
Yeah.
Every single time you want the number, like
No,
my mind, like my mind blocks.
Yeah.
So I'm more into theory than like numeracy. Like I don't do numbers. That's just me. Yes, not the So they would be like making things people who knew that I had people who knew that I was smart. Okay, moving past grade 10, grade 11. I did well. Nipasa, grade 12. I was measuring in English. My English teacher, like we talk from time to time on WhatsApp. That woman had so much potential in me. That woman pushed me. There was this other teacher called that teacher was most hated by his colleagues for believing in me. There were times where I'd have like teenagers, boyfriend and whatever. That man would look for me.
Logo takin. So wakana mupa zukwanyana ne. Unamshala phunganyana so uthaka high school. Uthake high school. Ukuhloma.
Hayi ungari kuhloma
uyabhisa tinhundzu so
I like mina ni munhu wo kubyeriwa na lokaya vanbyela like I would just be upset.
Yeah.
Ni a whole drama about it.
Yeah.
Sir Koto would be the only teacher who would get on his car.
Abasta kuvayela kuyisa.
He would call my friends. Bring me back to the point where they started making rumors about mina ni jola na teacher. I don't know exactly.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know, like whenever I remember like everything that I've went through, the hate train that when I was in high school, social media, it was like at school and in social media. Like I feel like those things are the reason why I am who I am today or why I'm here today. To prove these people wrong that I can be something. Because on the moon, sometimes I had a friend who would tell me, well, goes on that so for no reason. What do they see in you that you don't see in yourself? And then that stick with me. Do you guys see some sort of potential? Meaning I want to like this hate is like, I don't know these people. I don't even know them. But it pushes me. Even recently, I think it was Wednesday, the post let the thing at 2022. They are still up even today. The comments guess what? Facebook has this thing ya gore loko munhu a view story xa wena nga ku follow nga friend yi tsala ku non follower.
Yeah.
The very same people who are on those comments day in day out 24/7 365 they are on my story views. Till today. And then I watch him like are you trying to see Kuri I'm down bad? And then it's like you come to my profile Jessica Machangani, there's no one who didn't hate me.
Yeah.
Especially again. No one who didn't for no reason. Time I'm just a kid. Just like I feel like Nikurina have like my body is bigger. Time I'm so slim. Short.
Yeah.
Like I still see them today. They're keeping track on me, keeping tabs on me. For what? For what? I don't mean to brag or to be someone or something.
Yeah.
I'm doing better than all of those people who spoke nonsense about me.
Yeah.
So
exactly. And I will continue doing
before
better.
Before it segment leyiwanyana.
Yeah.
Ungakuna savage nyana una dzona.
Yeah.
Naswona ku wapfumela ku na dzona nyana savage. Ulwela ina Nota baloyi.
Oh, Nota. Ish.
Talavana, ta chavana.
Hey. No. You see, my beef I don't think I have beef with him because I don't take him seriously as a person. I don't take Nota seriously as a person. And there was a time, it all started on Twitter.
Yeah.
I posted something. Jelogoni posted the negative comments. Hey, this. And I told him, I said, stop talking about me. Stop coming to my comment section to comment nonsense. You don't know me. No, blah blah. Tribalism against Xitsonga people. There's no tribalism. Xitsonga not.
I waka baloi.
Understand?
Okay.
So recently, they there's a blog on Twitter that posted something about meet Jessica Maswanganyi who lied and said much and much what. You know what he quoted? You know what he quoted? He said you must lock and arrest this ugly thing.
Referring to you.
Referring to me.
Did you retaliate?
Of course I did.
I
was very upset. I took his picture and I said, look at the thing that's calling me ugly. And then people quoted it and said, hey, we are eating. You look at Danny. If I done Johnny, what? If I go, yeah, you are ugly. Ugly, what? No jail. No, 2024. Like, stop speaking about me.
Yeah.
Stop speaking about me. Don't comment on my things. Don't quote things that people say about because I don't take you seriously. Like, just please leave me alone. So as for Nota, he's a troll. I don't take him seriously. It's whatever he does, that's fine. That's up to him. Like me, I will never do such a thing. I don't do podcasts. I came here because we are Tsonga people, we are family, that's it. But as for those silly podcasts where they talk about nonsensical things that don't even make sense, I will not be there. Unfortunately, I even told him, I'm not the girls you invite to podcasts. Don't disrespect me like that.
Yeah.
Okay, I feel like if I was to see him in person, when I don't like him, honestly. I will respond because I'm a mature person, but I'm not gonna forget the things he's been. I will not do that.
The way bad social media, the beef,
yeah.
to me, in case segment swi ni fikisa la lava ku kota ku twisisa ku na boyfriend
Me.
leswaku vanhu va nga va kha va lava ku twisisa swo fana sweswo
Yeah.
wa vona leswaku munhu a kota ku a vulavula swi na nkoka ngopfu swi endleka kuma ku loko u kha va vulavula la ku na munhu loyi a nga ta fika a watcha a languta wena ntsena hina nga hi voni hi vona ivi u kuma ku swa endleka munhu wa nkuma munhu loyi ku ri u hava na kwala ka podcast
Yeah, no, va nga commenta la hi ta va nyika tinambara ta wena.
I am in a relationship.
No, okay.
Like okay, I'm going to this thing. I was like, okay, enjoy, be careful. Like he just cares about my safety. He's such a good man. I like,
Machangani.
Machangani.
Oh, Machangani.
Kuza hi ku vutisa ku
Machangani wala South Africa kumbe we Zimbabwe kumbe
Wala
we
South Africa. Yeah, he's a very private person. Umunhu wako angalavi matihlo is very private and I respect his privacy.
kuza hi ku vutisa mhaka leyiwani I ku u nga ku ve na confusion nyana ka yena na tinyiko cash. U nga ku vana va ku wena tinyiko u le ku cateni na vosivara and all those things.
Yeah, I've noticed a lot of people, especially on Twitter, I feel like, okay, but Gaza, they know who Tinyiko is. They know who Jessica is, right? But back Twitter, they don't know that. I don't know why they tend to like kind of think. I feel like it's that time when we were both advocating for Nhlamlo Sam.
Yeah.
She made a couple of videos that I took and reposted on Twitter, and people thought it was me.
Yeah.
And then they tried to attack her for things like, hey, she's married to who and who and who, which was not even an issue.
I know, do your choice.
It's not even an issue on that. But then, because I was mostly posting her video, she made a very good video that really, like, literally touched me, and I had to repost it. And she was just advocating for Nhlamlo. And that was a very good video. It had so many reshares. And then people, I don't know what happened. They started Googling her. And even Gaza, they Twitter. But I would think you got this and this and that.
Yeah.
No? And then people start calling me Tinyiko ka Twitter, but they think I'm Tinyiko. I don't know if I don't think we have any similarities.
Yeah.
No. I don't think we have, if we might, but there was a point where people would be like, yeah, your shop, Tinyiko has a beauty shop at Dragon City. Yeah, she's opening this shop or whatever. I'm like, no, that's Tinyiko's shop. Do support it, whatever. They bashing Tinyiko, thinking it's me. And I know there are people that want me to say, no, it's not me.
Yeah.
And I don't do that. And it makes them upset that, oh, okay. I'm like, oh, thank you. Even if they say, yeah, we see that you are married to who and who, I'm saying, thank you. Thank you so much. So I don't know why there's this huge confusion, but I didn't feel like it was such a huge problem, because at the end of the day, me and Tinyiko were fighting for one thing, and that was for Nhlamlo. And then here are people trying to like say bad things about her, saying bad things about me, calling me what, you know, those slurs that you shouldn't even be calling women. You understand what I mean? So I feel like you cannot, you know, social media people, they have a lot of mouth. They have a lot of things to say, and in person, they never say it. They literally never say it.
Mara at least to go in person, I think if I net like a Macalia segment level 2, Nasmona Guna say Jessica Upifumlini, so let's assume Tabatambilu, my Intelea one, Naswana Swayan. So one was Tibago and Oyima Queen, Bastogunago, Uta retaliate, and Naswana Swayan. Maralingana Coca, Lava with Sungula Shinen. Because I think na yona ibe itela ku buisango fo ka social media you go bekate makeni yila go kokela nyangweni wele a hubjeni a court mara principal abata irangela
ya leyo lexi ringeta ku xona la I ku hi na ka wena hi vona murhangeri hi vona munhu loyi a nga kota ku va
mi nga fambeli kule na mic ya n'wina
a cinca vutomi bya vanhu vo tala ka Gaza. Ku na vanhu lavatsongo lava va loko va languta wena va vona u kha u endla swo karhi va twa onge na vona va nga swi endla. Ku na vanhu vo karhi lava loko va vona wena u kha u endla swo karhi va va inspired hi leswi u swi endlaka. Sweswi hi ta ya languta mhaka ya activism leyi wena u yi endlaka. U munhu loyi a nga vonaka ngopfu enkarhini wa loko Nhlamulo Sambo a kumeka a hundzisiwe emisaveni, moya wa yena a wu wisi hi kurhula. U karhi u yimelela timhaka ta ku ri a wu lavi swo fana na tribalism, swo fana na xenophobia, leswi u nga swi venga hi mbilu ya wena hinkwayo. Se u nga hi teka ku xana i cini lexi xi nga endla ku ri u kumeka u ri an activist? Swi sukela kwihi?
I think it all stems from tribalism. As a Tsonga person, I've experienced a lot of tribalism, and I've always like wondered, Gunjani, just because I'm Tsonga, am I not human enough to be South African? Why am I treated like this? Like, why am I being marginalized? For what? You know? And then I remember I started this whole topic of tribalism. I think it was 2023 on Twitter. Just basically talking about how tribalism exists, how Tsonga people are not seen for what they actually are, how us Tsonga people are usually undermined for no reason. And I also spoke about how I don't like Vatsonga, how they would come to like Joburg, like in Johannesburg, Zulu. Like as a Tsonga person, Zulu.
Sukela
Queen. What happened to speaking your own language? I've always had a problem with that. And is it a self-esteem issue? Or wanting to fit in or wanting to be accepted? But that alone is proof enough. Tsonga people experience tribalism. Tsonga people, like, I'm like really ashamed to say this. I don't know if Bachava Zulu to that extent. I don't understand why if I Muno Imtsong Una bangana ba Mazulu bambili. Una Matsonga by 2 ba 4. But when kwaba kuma kawala blain language ele KZN. Jan, why? Usindlela yini sweswo? You are contributing to them undermining us for no reason. But in gaslight, I got Twitter saying, I'm just making things up and lava attention and lava monetization. There's no such thing as tribalism. That's the same as saying there's no such thing as racism in South Africa. You understand what I mean? Tribalism exists and it's a huge problem. And the fact that fellow Tsonga people or Baba Tsonga, they are not putting an effort in being proud of who they are and speaking their language. They're contributing to the tribalism. Be proud of who you are. Speak Tsonga. Get in an Uber. That's what I do. I go to MTN Rank I usually do my maintenance. MTN Rank, my nails and whatever. And I feel like I'm doing this. I'm not doing it because I'm tribalist. I'm doing this because there are Tsonga people in this country, and there are people who speak Xitsonga, and there are people who are proud of being Tsonga.
And
Exactly. So they would just look at me like, look, I want it. All right, fam. Go on about my day. As much as I usually do speak English on a daily basis, look on figure lane, I don't compromise. Machangani, I don't care.
So, position ya wena ini mayelana na nhlangano wa March and March. Considering leswi nga humelela a Mosel Bay, loko Nhlamulo va vutlela vutomi bya yena. Ku vi na tiripoti ta maphorisa ku a ri ku yiveni mukhukhwini wa AMT, swi contradicta leswi mhana yena va nga swi vula. U titwa njhani hi swilo leswi nga humelela nkarhi luwa, because a wu ri ka forefront ya ku va u vulavulela ndyangu wa ka vo Nhlamulo na timhaka ta ku twisiwa ka Matsonga ku vava.
I remember loko na posted this whole thing, like the sister Nota was helping me with she was the one that was updating me on what's happening. And remember loko phorisa lera ni rindla statement ri ku nhlamula a ri ku yiveni. Oh, the comments leti nga ta under that post, people are tagging me, van tagga. Baku shwan man a ri ku yiveni swi ku yini wa hemba what. You know, they disrespected Nhlamulo so much.
Yeah.
I had to delete the post, not because swilo leswi a ni swi vula na cinca. No.
Yeah.
I still stand with Nhlamulo. I'm still saying justice for Nhlamulo till today.
Yeah.
But I would never sit there and watch people speak ill about him. I had to delete everything. I had to limit like comments and everything. I felt so, I felt so crushed. Because I know for a fact, Nhlamulo was not stealing.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
I know for a fact Nhlamulo was not stealing.
Yeah.
He was just a kid going to school the next morning. I believed the family from day one. Because I know tribalism exists. I know those xenophobic riots are Mossel Bay.
Yeah.
It was going to turn to tribalism at some point. They mistaken it for some foreign language. And because they are xenophobic, what are they going to do? Attack Tsonga people. I still stand with the fact that Nhlamulo deserves his justice till today.
Yeah.
I got so many attacks, death threats. I got so many death threats. I had to stay inside the house the whole week.
That's so bad.
Literally, that goes to show just how much hate people have for one another. We are black South Africans at the end of the day. And you know why they were saying that? Because they say that I said Nhlamulo was killed by the March and March. I never made those statements. Blogs made those statements. And everybody ran with it. Till today, they were still saying that I should be arrested because I blamed who and who for the death of Nhlamulo Sambo. Still, no arrests have been made. Why? Where is the statement that I made that I didn't accuse a specific movement for his death? His death was a result of xenophobic riots. I didn't mention any movement. I just spoke the truth. So it became a whole issue about how I'm against, first of all, I'm not against illegal immigration, people being sent back to their countries to get their proper documents. I'm against xenophobia. Xenophobia, the killing, the beating of foreign nationals. Why are you killing them? Why can you not? We actually said, let the police handle immigration issues. We literally said, let the government handle immigration issues because you guys do not have the capacity to handle that. All you see is violence. There's no such thing as a peaceful protest in South Africa.
Yeah.
Let's be honest. There will always be looting. There will always be killing. And I was right. What happened? I've seen a lot of videos of Tsonga people being attacked, Alexandra and Atembis, for being Tsonga, being told to go home. The fact that even legal foreign, the fact that they had, like, some people on social media had the nerve to say that illegal or legal, they should go. Isn't that xenophobia? If a person has the necessary papers to come here, if a person has the necessary documentation to actually become, let me give an example, a surgeon in South Africa, and then you come here, you didn't finish grade 12, you have the nerve to say, Tinashe from Zim, who's a surgeon, is stealing your job. What job? Do you qualify to be a surgeon? I'm being honest. Let's be for real for once. There is no corporate company, right? There's no high corporate company that's going to hire an illegal immigrant. Let's be serious. The only jobs illegal immigrants do is gardening, cleaning houses, washing dishes. Those are the jobs that they're fighting for. Because let's be honest, if it was about illegal immigrants, saying illegal immigrants are taking their jobs, what jobs? What jobs? They clean, they do the garden. When are you fighting to do someone's garden? Are you being like, you guys understanding what I'm saying? So they don't understand that their actions are actually xenophobic. It's a reason why almost half the whole world hates us right now. There's a difference between wanting your country to be free from illegal immigrants. There's a difference between wanting illegal immigrants to go home and fix their papers and whatever. And then there's xenophobia. Beating them, killing them, murdering their kids. That's xenophobia. And do you guys remember the xenophobic attacks that happened in 2008? Did that end well? Did it end well?
We've got Emmanuel Sithole la Alexander nga gwaziwa gwazelo kusasa matamatisi. Mara ha ri ka yeleyo. Ni vona mbale roko ya kutsuka la. Yi ku tshineta ngopfu ka vandla lera ra EFF nyana. A ni ri umembara ya kona. Yi endle statement ka rin'wani hi president ya vona. A ku pfuriwa tibodara. So hi va a borderless nation. N'wana n'wana lava lava ku ta ati. U yima na yona mhaka liya.
That's a trick question. Is that a trick question?
Did I paralyze you?
Okay. This goes back to the earlier conversation we had about you asking if I'm part of any political party.
Yeah.
And I told you that I am political. I do have a political opinion and all that, but I can never be part of any political party because at some point, if you're part of a political party, you have to believe and stand with something that you also don't believe in. I do think his message was kind of not understood well by the public. But borders are there for a reason. They're there for safety measures, precautions. Borders are important, and I feel like I don't think South Africa should have open borders. Like the whole Africa shouldn't have open borders. So that I do not support. I feel like borders are there for a reason, and it is important for us to have borders, precautions. So that I don't think I stand with that. But majority of what the EFF does, I support it.
Okay.
I support the
EFF.
No, Makati Bodara. Maybe he has his own reasons for wanting. Do you know what his reasons are for wanting open borders?
Okay, u tshama u bisa tinhundzu ka vanhu va le matikweni ma le handle.
What?
Okay, no, a ni vutisa timhaka ta ku a ni vutisa hi ku ka pfuriwa tibodara or a ti pfuriwi na. So loko ku ta pfariwa swi vula ku ri swi nga endla onge tshama u bisa tinhundzu ka vanhu va le handle.
Listen, I'm not okay. I feel like the issue of black women, black South African women dating foreigners is it stems from xenophobia. Because I don't feel like there's a problem with there isn't a problem with that.
Yeah.
And then going back to the issue of borders, me saying that borders are a necessary precaution, they are supposed to be there for a safety reason. I'm right. But that doesn't mean that Nina, if I supported open borders, would you guys say it's because I'm dating a foreigner?
A hi ku vutisela ku ka ku pfala na ku pfula ntsena. A hi vuleli ngopfu wena.
No, I'm just saying in general for any other person who would support open borders.
Nyimpi ya wena na Jacinta yi sukela kwihi? Hi ku nga ku u lava ku koka ku yisa na le khoto. Mi lwela yini? Mi lwela sivara?
I'm not fighting with her. I don't even know her. She doesn't know me. Hi, Tivan. She doesn't know me. I don't know her. I don't think there's any fight happening between me and her. She's doing whatever she's doing. Her movement, fine, sharp. We see it. she believes in some things that we also don't believe in. It's fine. Okay.
Hi vone unhlamula nkarhi wun'wanyana. U n'wi byela ku hey. Tlhelela nyana ndzhaku.
I think it was the issue Nhlamulo Sambo. I do not support her speaking about him. I don't want her to speak about Nhlamulo. And I feel like to today, they made this whole case Nhlamulo a part of whatever thing they are doing. First of all, no one associated their movement to Nhlamulo Sam. Only people, regular people on Twitter who comment, who have the right to comment, did that. So it's actually disappointing that someone who has high influence as her would actually take those tweets seriously. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
I have no problem with her. I don't think I know her. I've never talked to her. I don't, she doesn't know me, We just have different opinions about like whatever's happening in the state of our country. That's fine, But the only part where I feel like I know I have nothing to say about that woman. Please, no.
Mara amlen nyipin le ako makakhomana na hi mavoko mos.
No, I don't know her. She doesn't know me. We don't know each other, and that's just it. I have nothing to say about her.
Yeah.
Literally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Ni bona unge kuna swo tala ngopfu leswi unga swivula and leswi swi nga kota ku loko swi ya ehandle vanhu va kota ku twisisa ku ri loko ku ri va hlangana na swiphiqo va hlangana na rivengo munhu wa swi kota ku overcome sweswo hi ku ya hi xitori xa wena lexi nga xi endla se mara lexi a ni ta xi vutisa i ku i cini lexi u twaku onge u fanele u xi byela vanhu lexi u nga va ku nga xi vulangi ka conversation leyi hi na yona tanihi activist
about
ni vula kumbexani wo ni veka xivutiso hi ndlela leyi ku na vanhu vo tala lava va ku landzelelaka ka social media van'wani va ku tiva kunene and laha namuntlha a hi vulavula hi mhaka ya tribalism ya xenophobia timhaka ti fambelanaka na sweswo u nga activist ka swona ni ku sweswi ni ngo i yini lexi u twaku ku nga ri a hi xi katsangi la ka mbulavulo lowu lexi u lavaka ku xi hindzisela vanhu ku va fanele va xi tiva hi mayelana na sweswo a hi vulavula hi swona
the issue about kuna this party I don't know if it's a party but it's
Vatsonga Machangani.
Yes.
Yeah.
I feel like y'all should have asked me a lot about that.
No, we are coming.
Oh, you guys are coming.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So it's something that I feel like it's what Tsonga people needed. We as Tsonga people needed that, and I see it has a lot of hate on social media. People are saying it's a political party. I remember the creator of the group said this is not political.
Yeah.
It's a matter of fighting for our rights as Tsonga people to be seen as something in this country. So I feel like that group, as there are Tsonga people who are hating on it, I wanted to also touch on that. How are you hating on a group that's fighting for you and your human decency as a Tsonga person? That Tsonga people, I see people reposting pictures of the group. I go, yes, I am Tsonga, but I do not stand with this nonsensical thing. Like, how? Do you not see the good the group is doing for you? That group is fighting for your right. And these people are the very same people who experience tribalism but refuse to acknowledge that they are experiencing tribalism. These are the very same people who will be like, I've lived in Johannesburg for over 30 years. I've never experienced tribalism. Why are you lying? Why are you lying? It's a reason why you're not speaking Tsonga. It's a reason why you speak Zulu. It's a reason why you speak any other language that is not Tsonga. Why? You know deep down you're going to be marginalized. So I feel like I don't know if it's these people have a low self. I have a very huge problem with these people. I don't know how many people I blocked on social media. Like people who have been my friends for years on social media. I blocked them because how are you so dense? Can't you see the goodness of this group? What this group is doing? Fighting for Nhlamulo, fighting for your rights as a Tsonga person. Because after these whole xenophobic things are done, they are coming for you. It's not a secret. It's not a secret. It's not a secret that Tsonga people are gonna be victims of these xenophobic riots that are currently happening.
Yeah, I'm karhi no tala loko wo xiyaxiya vanhu lava va lavaka ku hambanyisa Vatsonga na Machangana va ku hina hi Machangana hina hi Vatsonga va solana nhlangano lowa wa Vatsonga Machangana ku a wu yimeli vona ku va ku ri vanhu lavakulukumba lava va nga tsandzeka ku va solve ti-problem leti eka nkarhi lowu nga hundzi se ene loko u languta ka movement lowu wa Vatsonga Machangana ku na vantshwa wu rhangeliwa hi vantshwa and vanhu vo tala lava wu landzelaka i vantshwa lava va nghenaka lava va fika va ku hina hi Machangana ya le Bush hina hi Matsonga ya le giyani ka Malamulele i vanhu lava va nga ringeta va feyila le ndzhaku
van'wana va ringetanga
van'wana va ringetanga ku ringeta se loko va vona swin'wana swi kha swi humelela leswi komba ku nga ri swi ya mahlweni va lata tlhela va onhane ka swona ku vona onge i cini lexi faneleke xi endliwa ngopfungopfu exikarhi ka vantshwa lava vanhu lavatsongo ku ri va kota ku ri va landzelelisa pfhumba leri ra Vatsonga Machangana ku swi kota ku swi ta na mihandzu yin'wana mindzuku.
Okay, one thing that I'm gonna say, you see, vanhu lava nga hanya during the 80s, 70s, 90s, Vatsonga, they failed.
That's why
they failed us as a new generation of Tsonga people. I feel like you guys could have fought harder to be recognized as something in this country. Kutama 2000, and here they are fighting in the forefront of it all. You guys had a duty to make sure you guys were experiencing this at first hand. But not once did you guys think, to make sure our kids don't suffer. You guys did nothing. And then here, back on 2000, here we are. Fighting for our kids, our grandkids, so that they don't experience what you guys experienced. Because right now we refuse to experience what you guys experienced in the 80s, 70s, 90s. So the fact that people who were in the Tsonga people what my 80s, 90s have a problem with the new generation of Tsonga young leaders fighting. Why? Why do you have a problem? Do you want your kids to go through what you went through? You know how painful it is to figure out language. Ku ri vanhu se va sungula va ta munhu u le ku tidladla u vulavula na xizulu xizulu a ni xi koti no xi kota u le ku tidladlayeni u le ku vulavuleni ka xizulu. Do you feel proud of yourself? A wu twi swin'wanyana swi xota ndzeni ka wena ku hi lava ni le xikarhi ka vanhu va le ku vulavuleni ka ti-language ta vona hi miloyi ni busy ne ku tidladlayeni. I'm trying to fit in. Why are you trying to fit in? U le ku u vulavula xizulu xo phewa u n'wi twa ku lowa hayi u huma hala ka Mdavula hayi a nga xi vulavuli a nga vulavuli ka Mdavula
se hi la ku lwa na TMC ne
u huma hala ka Mdavula u le ku tidlayeni hi xizulu vulavula Xitsonga xa le ka Mdavula.
So Jessica, u nga va dyondzisa yini ma 2K kumbe vantshwa mayelana na bullying? Because ti komba onge vutomi bya wena hinkwabyo u express timhaka ta ku va kha vanhu kha va u bula
being bullied for being kuva ni ntivi na ku ntivi njhani
va ku bula ka timhaka ta ku hey u huma ka music video because u tlele na mani sweswiwani u yimela timhaka ta tribalism Vatsonga Machangani nakona va ku bula futhi van'wani va la ku ya ku yisa na le court va ku sue and all those things u nga va dyondzisa yini?
I would like to tell them, guys, ne? Learn to defend yourself, man. Learn to stand up for yourself. Because if you don't stand up for yourself, no one will. I had to sit down and analyze that within myself.
Yeah.
I had to have a one-on-one conversation with myself. No one is defending me. I don't want to continue going through this. I'm not going to experience this relationship.
Na boyfriend ak defend?
Woloye undashaya shanti angala ku tingena teka social media xamene ana ku mfaka ka swona u focus ka ntirho wa yena aya kaya u tshama ri office 24/7 365. I hardly see him. He hardly has time for me. So Yena is someone that I want to protect from all of this. No one knows who he is. No one knows his face, his name. He's just
Ispukunyana.
Yeah. And I would like to keep it that way.
Yeah.
So I would like to tell them to defend them. Defend yourself. Stand up for yourself. Don't let people I don't know, man. Don't let it get too far. I let it get too far. I was bullied for being dark-skinned. Sula primar. Wakush kekan shota. Wakush kekan shota. And anta sama mata babla bla ni hleka na mina. You understand how painful that is?
Yeah.
Blah 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 blah. You know blah blah blah. When you smile. And then I feel like that's I feel like I am who I am today, ne? Because of that pain. I'm so angry. I feel like I'm so angry. When I think about situations where I had to sit down and listen to people talking about me, it doesn't sit well with me. I want people to defend themselves from bullies.
Yeah.
Talk to someone. Talk to an elder. Go to the cops.
Mara loko wa vulavula hi mhaka ku vanhu va fanele va ti defenda wa vona loko munhu a ti defenda a ri yexe a swi na matimba swi fana na ritiho wa vona loko no a wu nge ti nchumu mara loko ni ku wa swi twa swa twala swi lava vula ku ri mi va mi khomisanile se lexi humelelaku i ku u nga va byela yini hi mayelana na nkoka wa nhlangano lowu u nge te hi nge fambi hi nga vulavulangi hi wona ku nga
Vatsonga Machangani
swi tikomba i nga ri nhlangano lowu hi wona u nga ta kota ku va u liberata Vatsonga hi wona u nga ta va humesa evukhumbeni.
Which goes back to the issue leyi ni vulavula yona ni ku vana va ka Gaza ne they are chronically online and they look up to the wrong people. We have better role models ka Gaza ne that kids can look up to. If you look at social media posts, especially Facebook, Gaza they're very active on Facebook. The so-called self-proclaimed influencers. We have real leaders who you can look up to. They need to shift their focus into something that's going to help better themselves. When you cannot be looking up to someone who has 50 and not teaching you how to get those cars. Abakudyondzisi ku fa indlisa kwini ku kuma timovha leti tsakisa ku byela ku hey wena xisiwana wena yini va tsakisa hi ti-beef. Why? What are you gaining from that? But like Gaza, they need better role models, and the fact that we do have better role models. For example, we have the likes of Metro Beats. Metro Beats is my age. Look what he's doing. Look at the moves that he's making. Look at the cars he's purchasing. They don't look up to him. You're focused on the wrong things. We have politicians, Tsonga politicians, the likes of Floyd Shivambu. We have the likes of Papa Penny. We have the likes of musicians, Black Myth, Bliss Boy, people who are doing something with their lives. These kids are not focused on that. They are focused on why? They are chronically online, and I feel like we're not using that to they're not using that to their advantage to better themselves. So they just need someone to actually say, you know what, guys, una data, take a 5 rand, you shaba 100 megabytes. Google about the constitution, like Google about Vatsonga Machangani. Find a way to join. Even if you don't want to join, open your phone. Look at like videos at YouTube. Look at what they're doing. Be inspired to do that. You could learn a thing or two, you know, instead of being chronically online on Facebook. Like, I'm saying this, because I feel like I did the same mistake. I was too chronically online on Facebook, doing, commenting on things that are very unnecessary, you know? We have so many. Bro, I don't think kuna influencer ka Gaza. I'm sorry, I have to say this. Ku hava influencer ka Gaza. Bakona ne? But many self-proclaimed influencers aren't even influencers. Utebeka ka Facebook ntsena for what? For swearing at people.
Utama ujona na celebrity ka Gaza kumbe celebrity.
No.
Usho?
Osungula ku jola na mfana lo.
Oui.
Ay.
Okay, I did have a relationship with some people. Someone, it ended. Life goes on, you know?
Yeah.
Eko angabilela loko tsuka vone podcast leyi wana ka vona ku wa nkaneta wa vona. So yeah, mara above all Jessica hi twa hi tinyungubyisa ku va hi vulavule na wena. I byela experience ya wena ya ku hlekuriwa, yekuriwa, ku vavisiwa, ku va u yimela timhaka ta ku va u ri Mutsonga xidzi, ku va u sapota nhlangano wa Vatsonga Machangani, hikuva u ringeta ku va u yimela timfanelo ta Machangani or Matsonga lama va nga ku xanisiweni, timhaka ta nyipi ya wena na Nota se vanhu va swi tiva ku mi lwela yini, na swin'wana na swin'wanyana. I think vanhu va ku ringana na vona va ta dyondza na ku loko va buliwa va fanele va endla yini, va va part ya group, va tirhisa va xinawu na swin'wana na
report
swin'wana.
it to someone, like
Yeah.
there's always someone you can tell.
Yeah.
Tama umela or like it's not a good idea,
Yeah.
because we have situations where ngwana lo a buluwaku tends to commit crimes like murder against the bullies. Like,
Yeah.
I'm tired of you treating me like this, so it will end when I kill you.
Yeah.
You understand? We're trying to prevent something like that.
Yeah.
So I feel like it's important to speak out. Because usually lava bulaku are people that are victims of bullying themselves.
Yeah.
They're actually victims of bullying themselves, and they're inflicting their pain on other kids, which is something totally wrong. It happens in real life, it happens on social media. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ni na ku tshemba ku hi valavuli swo tala la.
Yeah.
Na hina loko u fika la a hi nga hleketi ku ta niketa rixaka vutivi byo fika kwalaho.
Yeah.
Na wena na show ku na xitsumani lexi xi ku byeletelaka ku hikuva leswi u nga swi vulavula swi dyondzisa rixaka swilo swo tala, ene hi ri na ku tshemba ku sweswi xikulukumba lexi endlaku hi vitana vanhu vo fana na wena, hi ringeta ku hi tshineta vanhu hi ku hambanahambana ka vona ku va kota ku pfuna ku solve ti-problem leti nga kona ka Gaza.
Yeah.
Va kota ku assista laha va kotaku kona. Loko wena sweswi ku ri ku na vanhu lava va folowaka vo ringana 10,000 or 11,000 ivi va landzelela leswi swi vulavulaka, van'wani ku nga va ku ri na vanhu lava nga tshama ku va vulavula nchumu laya mara va tsakisiwa ku hi leswi swi endlaka.
Yeah.
Ivi ku vulavula ntsena lava va endlaka ku nga ri va ku venga, na vona a vo ku venga i timhaka ta ku ri miehleketo ya munhu yi va yi ri yin'wana ndlela. Se hi ri na ku tshemba ku ri ka mihlanganahlanganyo yo hambanahambana ku fana na vo Vatsonga Machangana civil movement, va nga kota ku va tirhisa vanhu vo fana na wena ku va an ambassador. Leswi xi humelelaka sweswi i timhaka ta ku ri tanihi Vatsonga ku fanele ku kumeka ku ri un'wana na un'wana ka khona leyi a nga ka yona u fanele a endla xin'wana
Yeah.
lexi nga ta endla ku ri Vatsonga va hlangana hayi ku va hambana lexi xi nga ta endla leswaku Vatsonga va kumeka va suka evukhumbini lebyi hi nga ka byona
Yeah.
bya ku kholeriwa bya ku tekeriwa hansi ku tindzimi ta hina a ti tekeriwi enhlokweni hi vitana hinkwavo lava va nga ka swiyimo swo hambanahambana lava va nga va ku na xiave
Yeah.
ku va va kurisa ririmi ra hina ku va va kurisa rixaka ra hina se namuntlha hi rhandza ku khensa swinene ku va u ve na hina hi ri na ku tshemba ku ri hi ta tlhela hi hlangana ku ta va ku ri na mihlangano yo hambanahambana leyi nga ta endla leswaku hi kumeka hi aka kumbe ku vumba rixaka ra hina mara lexi ni tsakisaka i timhaka ta ku ri ku na mihlangano yo hambanahambana mara nhlangano lowu wa vantshwa tiko rin'wana na rin'wana nkarhi wun'wana na wun'wana vanhu lava kotaka ku va cinca swa ku cinca hi ndlela yikulu ku fanele ku va ku ri vantshwa se leswi swi endlaku a ko va timhaka ta ku ri i swilo leswi swi nga ta ka swi nga vonaka hi ku famba ka nkarhi se tihlanganisi na van'wani mi joyina ti-movement tetiya ta vantshwa hinkwenu mara mi kha mi swi tiva ku hinkwenu mi lava ku ri mi hluvukisa Xitsonga mi hluvukisa rixaka ra hina ha khensa swinene ku va u ve na hina esikwini ra
Ntombi ya ka Maswanganyi.
Ntombi ya ka Maswanganyi ha khensa swinene loko
xivuriso
loko va ku lovola u hi byela ku na n'wana mi zalo hi ta za ya ku tiva siku leriya ya xivuriso loko hi karhi hi endla swilo leswi ku va ku ri na xivuriso mara wena ni nge ku nyiki xivuriso xo tika hi ku na swi vona u
vulavula ngopfu xilungu mara i la ku defenda ririmi ra manana mara i vulavula ngopfu xilungu
mara alright hi ku wa vona namuntlha ku va u vulavuli hi xilungu lexiya ni vona swi ri right ku tixaka letin'wana tixaka timbe leti makhombo ti kota ku twa ku ri hi titwa njhani hi leswi nga ku humeleleni xivuriso lexi nga kona xi ri wasati i xitlhangu xa vutomi wasati i xitlhangu xa vutomi
swi vula yini
Mata me ka hi Xitsonga ni kume level 5.
Hayi ni swi bala madokodela hi madokodela se wena mara vula leswi u hleketaka ku xi vula swona vulavula u nga chavi wasati i xitlhangu xa vutomi a lo ku tikisela hi vomu wasati xi olove ngopfu Xitlangu hi lexo tisirhelela hi xona.
Oh, a woman is like a shield.
Yeah.
Of life.
Yeah, hi xona i xitlangu xa vutomi ya. Se loko a wu lava ku hlamusela a wu ta ku
yini?
Hayi ta itsema kwale ta ivona
siku hi khense swinene eka valandzeri va hina va Machangani Gang Podcast Network. Hi kombela mi continue mi subscribe aka YouTube, mi hi follow aka Facebook, mi hi follow aka TikTok. Hina n'wina hi ra vumune rin'wana na rin'wana namuntlha a hi mi haxela tree hi ri la a mid range golf course ehansi ka vulawuri na vurhangeri bya manyiko Jaga ra ka Mahumani va ka mukwana wo tlela a Swanyini va ku nghena andlwini va ri vambirhi va huma va ri vanharhu
lava va xivongo xo rhuketela hi hela ku
balance